Okay, I have to be honest with you. Hermes agent is now better than OpenClaw. OpenClaw has fumbled the bag over the last couple months.
The useful version of this tutorial is not the install command. It is the operating system hiding underneath it. Hermes is being positioned as a personal AI employee, but the real pattern is simpler, reliable runtime, persistent memory, scheduled loops, and skills that improve as you use them. If you treat it like another chatbot, you get a novelty. If you treat it like a small operating layer for your work, the setup choices start to matter.
Number one, and this is the most important thing, it's just plain reliable. OpenClaw, with every single update, basically every single update, breaks. I update OpenClaw, it breaks.
That is the first ranking. Boring reliability beats flashy shipping. Agent tools are different from normal apps because every break wastes trust. If a Note app breaks, you reopen it. If an agent breaks, you wonder whether the task, memory, tools, approvals, or model failed. So fewer updates with a coherent theme can be more valuable than constant feature drops. For a personal agent, uptime is a feature.
Self-improving, this is a big one. They've put huge emphasis on self-improvement. How does the self-improvement work? Check out this chart here. Shout out Mr. Anand. I found your newsletter. I saw this chart. It's beautiful. You send a message to Hermes agent. It does some sort of execution. So whatever you tell it to do, it triggers a skill. So everything you do comes from your skills. And then if that skill doesn't exist, or
the second ranking is memory plus skills. That is where Hermes stops being a chat window and starts becoming an environment. A useful agent should remember who you are, know your recurring workflows, call tools, improve skills, and show its work. The caveat is control. Self-improvement is powerful only if the changes stay inspectable. You want a system that gets better, but you also want to know what it changed, what skill it used, and why it asked for approval.
brain dump and reverse prompt. What are those two things? Brain dumping is first telling your agent everything about yourself, your career, your ambitions, your goals, your interests, your hobbies, everything about yourself. You brain dump it in here.
This is the part most people will skip, and it is probably the highest leverage part. Before you automate anything, you should give the agent context, your work, projects, constraints, goals, schedule, preferences, tools, and repeated bottlenecks. Then reverse prompt it. Do not start with automate my life. Ask it what workflows it sees from your context. That creates a better first task list. And it also tests whether the agent actually understood your world. Personalization comes before automation. The three use cases in the tutorial form a clean ladder. Beginner, daily discovery, like finding AI tools based on your actual workflows. Intermediate, a proactive morning check-in that asks for your priority, updates memory, and recommends next actions. Advanced, generating assets like short motion graphics through install skills. I would not start with the advanced demo. Start with the daily loop because that teaches the agent what matters before you give it expensive creative work.
Proactive check-in. Here's the prompt down below. I want a proactive check-in. Every morning, ask what my one big priority is that day. Based on that, update your memories about me and make a recommendation to me on how you can help my life or insights on things I can do better. Again, we're taking advantage of them. So this is using the new Hype Frames skill. For those who don't know, there's tons of new AI video creation skills coming out for these agents that make it really powerful for your agent to make videos. There are many different reasons you'd want to make AI generated motion videos. For me, I'm doing it so I can make more content.
So the compressed setup order is this. First, choose the boring channel you will actually use, like Telegram or desktop. Second, pick a model strategy. Strong cloud model for hard work. Local model only where latency, cost, or privacy makes sense. Third, brain dump and reverse prompt before creating workflows. Fourth, build one daily check-in loop. Fifth, add skills only when they serve a repeated task. The trap is chasing agent demos. The win is making one personalized loop that compounds every day.